So something I kept running into with my own service business, and maybe you've dealt with this as well, is that clients love the work we delivered, but the experience of working with us wasn't, well, not as smooth as it looked on the outside. You'd have a contract in one email, an invoice in another, a Google Drive folder somewhere else, a link for booking a call, and then a long message explaining how to use it all. And every new project felt like rebuilding the same onboarding process right from scratch. Clients would ask, where do I sign? Where do I pay? And where do I upload this? Not because they were confused, but because the system we were giving them wasn't clear. And honestly, it made my business look less professional than the actual results we were delivering. So I started looking into tools that, well, they solve this exact problem. Platforms that just give your clients one clean branded place to do everything. A place to sign contracts, pay invoices, send messages, complete tasks, access files, all under your business name and without duct taping 10 different tools together. And these are called white label client portals. And after testing a bunch of them, I narrowed it down to the 5 that actually stand out. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what each one does best, who they're for, and show you how they work in real workflows. Starting with the first one that I tried, Assembly. So like I mentioned in the intro, if you've ever onboarded a client by sending them a handful of different links, then you already understand why these portals matter. Assembly gives you one link, and that's basically it. It takes the everything in one place idea and turns it into a proper home base for your clients. Now, when they log in, they'll instantly see everything they need to do, what to sign, what to pay, where to upload files, how to get in touch with you. It's all right there in one clean dashboard. So you can step out of the middle with no babysitting and no constant follow-up. Clients get a much smoother onboarding experience, and your whole process comes across just way more professional. Now, from the company side, like for me, I first set it up starting with the basics, contracts, billing, and file uploads. Even that alone removed most of the friction that I'd been dealing with for years. Also, Assembly is modular, so you can show as much or as little as you want, a couple of tools or the entire dashboard. It's flexible and it's easy to adjust for each different client. Now, one of the things that I liked a lot is that you don't have to change the tools you already rely on. For example, I just embedded Google Drive, Notion, and Calendly on the back end. Nothing in my stack exchanged. But for the client, it feels like one seamless system instead of 3 or 4, separate apps. I also ended up using the store feature more than I expected. I added a couple of fixed services like a one-time audit and a monthly retainer, and clients can buy them directly. Once they check out, the portal automatically walks them through the next steps. Now, for pricing, it starts at around $40 a month for individuals and about $150 for small teams, and around $400 for full white labeling, unlimited automation, and unlimited clients. And if you want to know more about Assembly's plans and features or any of the other brands we're going to talk about next, you can use our affiliate links down in the description to check out their best current deals. Using that link won't cost you anything extra at all, but we might earn a small commission that directly helps support the channel. Now, if you already know exactly what services you offer and you just want a clean way to present them, Agency Handy is another good option. It's not as customizable as Assembly, but that's kind of the point. It's built to be simple. You set it up once and it works without you messing around with settings. The standout feature is the visual service catalog. So instead of writing proposals or quoting every single client, your services appear in a clean branded layout. The client sees what's included, clicks approve, and from there, Handy takes over automatically. Contract, invoice, onboarding, it all happens behind the scenes. Their billing setup is stronger than I expected. You can handle recurring payments, split payments, and multiple currencies if you work with international clients. Now that said, like I said earlier, the trade-off is that Handy is much less of a blank canvas compared to Assembly. You have to work within their structured workflow rather than building a custom interface from scratch. But honestly, if you want something fast and simple, that limitation is actually an advantage.
Now, in terms of pricing, currently it starts around $30 a month with higher tiers at around $100 and $200 depending on your team size.
And every plan includes unlimited clients and orders, so you can scale as big as you want without being forced to upgrade. So if you want a clean client portal that makes your offers and approvals feel polished, well, this is a quick and a very reliable solution. Next up, if your work involves a lot of design, video, or anything visual where feedback and revisions can drag on, ManyRequests might be the strongest fit. Its standout feature is visual proofing. You upload your work, and clients can leave comments directly on the design or on a specific video frame. There's no more interpreting feedback from long email threads or disconnected screenshots. Now, ManyRequests also has a really solid self-serve setup. Clients can check their usage, manage subscriptions, or other additional services without needing to email you. It's perfect if you run productized services or monthly retainers. Now, the branding is solid, integrations are solid, but the real reason to choose ManyRequest is the creative approval workflow. That's where it really shines. Pricing starts at around $30 a month, but most people are going to want the core plan for basically $60 because that unlocks the visual proofing tools and Zapier integrations. Then for the full white label experience, you're looking at around $100 a month. If revisions, approvals, and file management are your bottleneck, this is the one designed specifically for that world. Now moving on to SuiteDash. This is one of those platforms you hear about a lot because on paper, it looks almost too good to be true. Unlimited clients, unlimited team members, full white labeling, and a huge list of features, all starting at $19 a month. And yes, it really does offer everything: CRM, billing, messaging, tasks, project management, contracts, time tracking, even a full learning management system for courses. The idea is that your business can run entirely inside one branded platform. But of course, there's a trade-off, and it's important to know it's going in. SuiteDash has a real learning curve. The interface is dense, and getting everything set up takes time and patience. Some areas, they feel like they were built more for internal operations teams than for clients. But if you are willing to put in the work up front, the value is incredible. It's easily the most cost-effective way to build a fully branded, feature-rich system. The start plan is about $20 a month or $15 a month if billed yearly. The advanced features, the LMS, automation, support ticketing come with the roughly $100 Pinnacle plan. If your budget is tight or you want every tool under one roof and you don't mind a steeper setup process, SuiteDash gives you the most software for the money. And finally, if you work in a field where you're willing to pay a premium for security, things like law, finance, or compliance-heavy services, Clinked is the platform targeted for you. Clinked markets itself around data protection, full encryption, audit trails, regional hosting options, private cloud setups, IP restrictions, everything. Clinked will even work with you to build out a custom portal if your workflow requires very specific permissions or some security considerations. The interface isn't flashy, it's clean and functional, and most of what you use revolves around documents, tasks, events, and messaging, but that's intentional. It's security first. Pricing starts at $95 a month for up to 100 users billed annually, and that includes your branding. But if you want your own custom domain, you're gonna need the $239 a month standard plan. If security and compliance are top priorities, Clinked is one of the only platforms here built entirely around those needs. So look, after testing all 5, here's how I look at it. If you do creative or visual work, ManyRequests will make your revision process that much smoother. If you want a clean service storefront and a simple sales process, Agency Handy is a great fit. If you want the most features for the lowest price and don't mind that steeper learning curve, SuiteDash gives you the most value. And if security and compliance are non-negotiable, Clinked might be the way to go. But if what you really are trying to fix is the overall client experience, the onboarding, the payments, the messaging, the coordination, Assembly is the one that ties everything together best. It's simple and flexible, and clients actually love how clean it feels. And if you want to see how it fits your workflow, you can actually start a 14-day free trial using the link in the description. All right, that sums up this video. If you found it helpful, a like is always appreciated. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this, or if you like our reviews, or if you want to help us out. And if you want to work with us or sponsor a future video, our email's in the description as well. Feel free to send us an email. Also, if you have any questions or specific use cases you want me to cover, drop them in the comments. I do love hearing what you guys are up to out there. And finally, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.